In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to memorize all of the notes of the entire keyboard. There's 12 notes. This is a faster version of a previous video that I did, but I just want everybody to notice so that they can be equipped to become a musician if they want to. So let's go to the keyboard. We have here a very small MIDI controller, but every piano is the same way. It has white keys and it has black keys. We have these notes here are assigned letters. The white ones are assigned letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then it goes back to A again, the same letters of the musical alphabet. The musical alphabet have the same letters as the regular alphabet. And then you have the black notes here are called sharps and flats. They are named by referencing the white notes. The way to memorize that I learned years ago is to notice that there are 2 black keys and then 3 black keys, and then 2 black keys and 3 black keys. This pattern repeats over and over again. On this particular keyboard, the 2-3, 2-3 repeats twice. On bigger pianos, it will repeat more times. In this particular instance, we have 2 sets of this repeating pattern because the piano has what's called octaves. In music, we have what's called octaves. An octave is a unit, a set of keys that contains all of the possible keys. So again, the purpose of this video is to get you equipped by the end of this 5 minutes to be able to know what you would have to do in your own private time to memorize the keys of the piano. Unless you're a regular savant, you're not going to know the notes by the end of this video, but you'll be equipped to go and practice, and you can reference it. Okay? We have here 2 black keys. On the left side of the 2 black keys, this note is the note C. Whenever you see 2 black notes, 2 black keys, these are the sharp keys, the note to the left is a C. We can use these 2 and 3 to reference to be able to find all of the letters. So to the left of the 2 is C, to the right of the 2 is E. Same way here, to the left of the 2 is C, to the right is E. And in between is D. You want to practice these for about 10 minutes a day. When you're trying to memorize the notes, you want to practice these for about 10 minutes a day. Just practice the C's 10 minutes a day. Okay, the note to the left of the 2 black keys is C. And practice that about 10 minutes a day for a few days, you'll have it. Then the note to the right of the 2 black keys is an E. Practice that for 10 minutes a day. Likewise for the D. Then we have the 3 black notes. To the left side is F. To the right side of these is B. In between we have G and we have A. If you already know, you practice and you already know the names of these white keys, whenever you're going down by 1 key, that becomes the flat of that key. So like if this is a G, this is a G flat. So if I say, what is this key? Well, it's the note below this one. What is this? A, go down by 1, A flat. B, go down by 1, B flat. So forth. And that's how you can get all the flat names. The sharp names are the same keys, but with reference to the key below it. So this key is the note above this. So if this is a C, this is C sharp. This is the note above F, so it's F sharp. G sharp, A sharp, D sharp, like this. Go over this video, 10 minutes a day, you'll have it. That's the piano in 5 minutes. Hope you find this useful. If you like this video but you would like a slower, more detailed version, check out this video. Thank you for watching.